Hello, my name is Florian Kaltenberger. I'm an assistant professor here at Eurocom, and today I would like to show you our 5GNR non-standalone test bench. The setup here actually combines multiple test benches in one. We have the USRP N310 up there, we have an X310 here, but the ones we're going to use for the demo right now are actually these two B210s down here, where one of them, the right one here, serves as the eNode B. So this one is operating in band 7, and you can see you have the duplexer here for band 7, and the other B210 serves as the front end for the GNode B. This is operating in TDD, and at the moment we don't have a dedicated front end for it, so we simply use two antennas, one for TX and RX. Both of the USRPs are connected to antennas here in this Faraday cage, where I also have the phone that we're going to use, which is an Oppo Reno 5G. So let's go and get started. First we're going to launch the eNode B from using this command line here. Okay, eNode B is running, and then we're going to launch the GNode B from this window here. Okay, and we can see it's running too. Both USRPs are transmitting and receiving, as you can see here. And now we're going to wake up the phone from airplane mode. And we can see up here a 5G connection. Okay, now that the phone is connected to the 5G network, let's see if we can send some pings. Yes, we can. And we can also try and send some iPerf traffic. Okay. Alright, so now I have started the Wireshark application here on the phone. Okay, and I'm going to stop the ping and launch an iPerf here on the screen. And we can see here that the traffic is being received at the phone. Okay, at the moment the throughput is not very high, but we are working on that. And that completes the demo. Thank you for watching.